everyone, this is Pharmacist Mom. This video is going to be about unboxing children's Claritin Chewables. I purchased this from Target for $17.99 and this contains 20 chewable tablets, grape flavor. It's great for kids who are not ready to swallow pills, and it's for children of ages 2 years and older. This is non-prescription over-the-counter allergy medication. Let's flip over, and here's the expiration date for this particular box. And let's flip over to the drug facts. Here is the drug facts. Claritin is the brand for Loratadine, and for each tablet, 5 milligrams, which is second generation antihistamine. This Claritin Chewable helps with allergy symptoms such as runny nose, sneezing, itchy watery eyes, itching of the nose or throat. And here's the directions for use. As mentioned before, this is for children above the age of 2. For children 2 to 6 years old, chew 1 tablet daily. And for children above 6 years and for adults, chew 2 tablets daily, which is 10 milligrams. Let's start unboxing. So it's a pop peel. So here you can just peel it, and then here just pop. Here it is. I'm gonna take it out and set it here. So here it is. And let's compare it with a dime. It's about 1/4 of the dime. So it's fairly small, not too big for children who are not able to swallow pills yet. And it's purple, and I can already smell the grape flavor. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And thanks. See you later.